Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display on your Casio W-218H. All you need to do is to press the upper left button, so the start and stop button, and you will be able to see that here we have the 24-hour display now, and if I press it one more time it is going to have the 12-hour display, and that is why it has disappeared. So that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And if you enjoy these videos guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next. Also check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale guys. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.